I'm going to be using 5 dried coconuts. The water from the coconut is quite refreshing, so just go ahead and quench your thirst. When all is cracked open, I'm just going to cut into small pieces for blended purposes. So now I'm going to add some coconut along with water and blend until smooth. I'm going to give this a strain and squeeze all the juices out. All the coconut is blended and its juice is extracted. When all is done, I'm just going to give this another smooth strain. And I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit overnight undisturbed for the fermentation to begin. After sitting for about 12 hours, you will now see where the milk has settled to the top. So now I'm just going to put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes, just so the milk could solidify and easy to remove. So after 30 minutes in the freezer, I'm going to remove this from the water. And this hard substance, the cream and the curd, and this is what contains the oil, and this is organic. Then I'm just going to give this a strain. Now to a thick pot over medium heat. I'm going in with the cream and the curd, and this is where I'm going to use the heat to extract the virgin oil. And this cooking process takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Turn the heat off and allow to cool. And yes, gentle people, it is ready. 100% virgin coconut oil. 5 mature coconuts gave me 1.5 cups of oil. This has a shelf life of up to a year or years, not to mention if it's refrigerated. This is medicine. Thank you so very much for watching.